Hi, everyone. I'm Dan DeMers, CEO and co-founder of Cinchy. The original promise of technology was simplicity, but in reality, while new technology adds exciting capability, it also adds complexity. New technology needs to remove more than it actually adds. It needs to simplify. That's why we created Cinchy. Our mission is to deliver on technology's original promise of simplicity, and the answer lies in how we manage and control our data. There's a growing awareness of the importance of data privacy. I believe it's quickly becoming a fundamental human right. And the problem is much bigger than just Facebook and Google. Even enterprise organizations, including large financial institutions, suffer from this problem. So if you are not in control of your own data, who is? Well, without realizing it, it is your applications that have taken control. They trap and silo your data. They create endless copies of it, making it impossible to properly protect. And they even limit your ability to use your own data. Apps are not cool. They're a huge barrier that separate you from your data. You spend half your IT budget working around the problem by building ETLs, APIs, data lakes, and others. These are the Tylenols and Advils of the data world. By addressing only symptoms, complexity only continues to grow. And you don't get the control no matter how much money you actually spend. Data collaboration has emerged as a radical new alternative. And what's really exciting about this is it actually solves the root issue by separating your data from your applications. It works by managing data in its natural form as an interconnected network. So just think of the internet, think of the telephone, power grid, even the human brain as examples of data being managed as a network. At Cinchy, we use our own product to run our entire business. What you're seeing is our company's private data network. Every node represents a data set. The larger the data set is more connected. Our customers, like us, use Cinchy to create their own private data network, and we've made it really easy to plug in data from your existing internal and external systems. Today, you spend about 35% of your IT budget on integration. Data collaboration makes data integration obsolete. Big question we get is how to get started. You start by using Cinchy to accelerate the projects that you're already planning, and completed projects pay it forward to further accelerate future projects. This sounds way too good to be true, which is why we always get started with a free proof of value. As an example, imagine having a project to enable predictive analytics on consolidated CRM data with your internal data and doing this in a few weeks, not months, weeks. Our customers today include some of the biggest banks in the world, asset managers, credit unions, and more. And they all use Cinchy to deliver their projects in half the time at half the cost. And this is the next big shift. We're recently added on 3 separate hype cycles with Gartner. We were selected as a top pick at Disrupt by TechCrunch, and we were recently voted in by 1,500 financial services executives as Best in Show at Finovate in New York just a few weeks ago. With Cinchy, you can connect all of your data, expand it, protect it all, and enable it for real-time collaboration. Thank you.
Thank you, Dan.